My name is Sarah, this is MamaBot, and today we are talking about this Saline Mist. I have had this for probably 7 or 8 months now for cough and cold season. It's amazing. Now I use this with some form of snot sucker nasal aspirator or something like that. I prefer the electric one. I did just buy the other one, so I'll do a review on that soon, but it's very easy. You just spray a little mist up your baby's nose. That seems like a lot, but in each nostril, and then go ahead and suction it out. It helps moisten up the mucus inside of them, and then you can suction it out. Really, really great, super inexpensive. This is the Little Remedies Sterile Saline Mist, and it even says safe for newborns, which is great. We have the quick links on our website, mamabot.com. If you scroll down over here, you'll be able to click on it, and it will take you straight to Amazon so that you can buy it for yourself.